Hi, I'm Dr. Smitha Rao. I'm associated with Khushi Fertility and IVF Center as a dietitian and counselor, and this is situated in Nagar, Bengaluru. So hypertension is a very common condition during pregnancy. It's basically high blood pressure, and your blood pressure should be equal to or more than 140/90 if somebody says you have hypertension. So your blood pressure has to be lower than this. How do you get hypertension? You get it if you're obese, if you're smoking, or if you're drinking alcohol. So please avoid these things in order to avoid hypertension. But in case you do develop hypertension, there are a few food sources that we will tell you. So there are three types of hypertension. First one is chronic, wherein a person has already developed hypertension and it sort of lasts for about 12 weeks or more after delivery. The next one is gestational hypertension, which is basically a person develops hypertension after getting pregnant, and it basically recedes once you deliver a baby. And the last one is preeclampsia, which is basically a complication of chronic and gestational hypertension. And here you will see the person develops hypertension as well as there is protein in the urine. And if this is left untreated, it can be very harmful for the mother as well as the child. So what are the few foods that you can include to bring down your blood pressure? So the first one is having enough essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids such as, can be got through nuts, seeds and oils. Nuts and seeds like your walnuts, Brazil nuts, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds are all loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and will help during hypertension. Also oils like coconut oil, olive oil, fish oil, all this again will bring down your blood pressure. And thirdly, fish such as sardines and salmon, all these are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Even this will bring down your hypertension. Now the second thing is having enough foods rich in folic acid. So anything that is rich in folic acid like flax seeds and dairy and spinach, all this will help fight hypertension, maybe even prevent it. So it's very important to add this into your diet. Thirdly, have a lot of vitamin D into your diet, because when there is a deficiency of vitamin D, one tends to develop hypertension. So how do you have this? You can get this through milk and milk products. You can have vitamin D fortified juices, cereals, milk products again, and spinach, green leafy vegetables. Okay, all this will help prevent hypertension. And it's also very important to have whole grains. Again, this fiber that you include into your diet through brown rice or whole wheat, rye, millets, all this will again fight hypertension to the max. And lastly, it's very important to include fermented milk products like cheeses and natural yogurt, because all these things have bacteria in them that fights off hypertension. So it's very important to include this into your diet. But apart from all this that we have said, it's very important that you include regular exercise regime while you're pregnant and do a lot of meditation and breathing techniques to calm yourself down, because stress also adds to hypertension. So please follow a balanced, healthy meal, regular exercise and meditation to keep yourself calm and healthy during pregnancy.